How do you post stuff on YouTube? It says on YouTube. Does it require a YouTube account to post stuff on YouTube? Okay, how do you get that?
Yeah, video of ducklings.
Find
Oh,
it.
downstairs!
Don't get too close to them. My sister got too close to a duckling once and she got a scar on her face for a year from their mother.
Yeah, it's funny though that she thinks scared too much. Speaking less. She knows road rules.
Oh my god, dang it, if it wasn't for the fact mother ducks would attack me, I would totally adopt one and take it home. I'm supposed to be on my way to the scene right now.
There's ducklings!
I can be late.
Ducklings! Go to your lecture. I'm sorry there were ducklings. I had to escort them.
Yeah.
Look at this! Like the mother duck's got us trailing too.
And he's like, I don't know who they are, but they seem to have adopted me. Oh, look at that little one! Let's see! I think we're scaring them. We should probably head to the side and not just follow them. Go downstairs the car, run!
Cars are bad, cars are ducklings.
I'm going to zoom in so I can see how cute their little feet are.
Oh,
Look at them! So adorable!
Almost there. This is making my day. This is making my month.
Yeah, I really should have, turned off about up the other end of the stairs. I was supposed to go back there for my lecture.
Ducklings!
Whoops.
Ducklings!
You're right, my argument is invalid.
Seriously, any argument you can make will be superseded by ducklings.
Wait, no, hang on.
I'm so glad I paid for that memory card now.
No! That's it!
Oh, they're so cute and fluffy. I just wish that...
We're going to have to escort them across the road though, because otherwise they're not going to...
I think the mother knows that and she's taking advantage of us. That's why she hasn't attacked us yet. That's what they're doing with the duckling that's folded, which is eating all the little white things on the grass. Like, no, I'm not stopping here. Why? There's too many humans around. Oh, they're so cute.
I'm so cute!
This is probably going to be this is going to be like the cutest video I have. All the other videos are of people acting like complete spazzes.
No, this is awesome. This is duckling.
I know. I got personally tried to toss a can and it got stuck on their foot.
No, this is
awesome.
better. This is so much awesomer than anything.
Yeah, I know.
It's ducklings being herded through a university campus.
I know.
Like seriously, Mummy Duck, I wouldn't have thought that the shoes pool was the best place to raise ducklings. But now that you've done it.
How many ducklings are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In groups of 2, that makes it easier. 2, 4, 8, stop moving! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ducklings. So at the barbecue's going to be upstaged by the ducklings. No, it's windy. Someone protect them.
Getting close.
Well, I'm going to be really late.
But you're escorting ducklings.
Why were you late? There were ducklings. And yeah, that's not a good reason. There were ducklings, your argument is invalid. They're early too. Usually ducklings aren't born for another few weeks.
Are you an environmental scientist? That's actually really good.
Can I hear some noise?
Yeah. Careful, the mummy duck can kill one of them.
Yeah, I'm so glad that I got to see this.
Shall we get somewhere up inside and we'll head on this way?
No, I think they can't coming that way. No, I think they're going through the fence. If they're going through the fence, I'm going to be angry because it's going to be hard to get. Yeah, they're going through the fence. sorry for the... No! Must catch up to ducklings. Oh, now I'm crossing the road.
Good setup.
Thank you.
Well, we just stopped the traffic for you guys. I think that's good, because otherwise you would have got
Is
squashed.
there a book called Make Way for Ducklings?
Yeah, there is. You guys can go. No, you're not. Don't touch him.
Don't, don't get out there. Almost there.
Almost there. Guys, they take the path. I don't think we're allowed to go through there. No matter how cute they look walking through there in a little file.
Yeah, we have to go around.
Why?
But I'm pretty sure we can't walk through that. We'll get there now.
I don't care. I want to watch them jump in the water. I'm already late. I might as well be another 5 minutes late and see the ducklings.
No! Bad idea.
Yeah, good, Mommy Duck.
It's like,
I think that's all
oh, that's why there's a little path there. It's a duckling path. Yeah, this is a 7-minute video on ducklings so far.
And
I was supposed to do my lecture 10 minutes ago.
you should have seen them come down from the Hughes pond. That's where I found them. And I was watching them, and then suddenly there's, oh my goodness,
Oh my
there's
God.
ducklings, and I got out of the pond and
I wish I could have seen that. Then again, otherwise I would have been late, so I wish I could have seen that.
Hey, Mommy Duck.
She can't find a spot to get down, so she's going to have to go all the way around there. And
I had no space on my camera.
oh, I bought a 2 gigabyte memory disk
I
like
have a bunch of
yesterday.
I have a piece of junk
Oh
food.
no, you can buy an SD card for like $5. That gives you 2 extra gigabytes memory.
Yeah,
for your
but
phone.
my camera is awful on this anyway, so why bother?
Oh, I got an 8 megapixel. So.
Yeah, I'm going to inherit my boyfriend's phone soon, so that'll be good, because he's got a good camera.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
fucking
Okay, let's see if the ducklings can follow. They're like, oh, go that way. I don't...
Mummy Duck is like seriously pissed off.
Oh, they're all okay. I think Mum Duck's being a bit angry now. Yeah, I was supposed to be in class. I got distracted. I'm gonna have to edit out me saying I should be in class before I show this to my mum though. Because she's like, why when you're in class?
Ducklings, you're arguing to about.
Yeah, my mum will get angry. It's more of a group meeting thing anyway, so everyone else is already running an hour late, and I just want to get coffee. No. Anyone else get reminded of rubber duckies? Only cuter.
No, I'm reminded of that Make Way for Ducklings book.
I know, read it. I've heard of it. No, one of them. Holy. There's another 10 ducklings. There's another lot of ducklings. It's playgroup for ducklings. And like the other ones was like, no, we've already had enough people following us. I can follow you guys now. Look at the little ducklings. At the moment, I don't care that they're the imported dangerous species. They're still ducklings.
You're an environmental sciences student.
Yeah, it's an environmental engineer, but I'm not coming back next year. I don't like the engineering subject. I don't like the environmental subject.
That's okay. I have a friend who is doing it.
I should. Okay, I am now. Yeah, no, I probably should head back to. I mean, yeah, duck.
As my father's daughter, I should tell you to continue with your engineering degree, given he's a professor there, but I'm not, so you know.
No, I just hate it. Engineering subjects are boring. Environmental subjects are fun. I don't have any environmental subjects this semester, so.
Okay.
Okay, we should probably leave them alone.
I should probably go.